Hey guys, how are you all doing? Today I am going to show you how you can change your Facebook profile name. It's super easy. Just follow me step by step. A lot of new Facebook users don't know where this setting is. So in this video, I'll explain the entire process clearly. Before we start, I have a small request. Please subscribe to my channel Zonic Tag and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any of my upcoming videos. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Now tap on the three lines menu in the top right corner. At the top right, you will see a settings icon. Tap on it. You will see many options here, but you need to click on the account section. Next, tap on profile. Now open your Facebook profile. Here you will see the name option. Tap on it. Now you can edit and change your name. After that, tap on review change. Finally, tap save changes and that's it. Your Facebook profile name has been successfully updated. If you found this video helpful, stay connected with my channel Zonic Tag for more useful tag tutorials. Thanks for watching.